Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Today's video, we're talking about 10 apps for Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers. So these are 10 apps or websites that you need to know that's gonna help you make more money, that's gonna help you be a better driver, and that's just gonna aid your entire experience as a gig worker. So without further ado, I wanna ask you to thumbs up the video for, giving you guys this free information. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first company that we're gonna be talking about is Ivycard. Ivycard is a new company actually that is providing gig workers with cash advances. So this is a great company. They're really awesome, they're new. And it says right here, you can get up to $100 to support your gig business when you need it. And there's no fees forever. The first 100 approved beta users get free cash advances on the Ivycard forever. It's really that simple. There's no service fees, there's no penalties or other hidden fees, no credit checks ever. Obviously, probably in the future, they're going to have some fees, but for right now, if you sign up with my link, we do have a referral code where you'll get no fees forever, get funding in 4 easy steps. You guys can look through this yourself. Obviously, click the link below and do your own research. Depending on when you watch this might change probably, as they update and, move forward to the future. But check out Ivycard. It takes just 5 minutes. They do no credit checks, and you can get a cash advance when you need it. So you don't have to pay overdraft fees if you accidentally, go negative in your account. But yeah, the second company that we're talking about is Buckle. Buckle is a ride share company. And by the way, I'll have all the links to all these services in the description. So go down there, check them out. Obviously this one, I'm walking you through them all, but take some time, do your own research and figure out maybe some of these are gonna help you out. Maybe some of these aren't gonna help you out. Maybe you don't need them, but some of them you probably do because they've helped me a ton as a gig worker. Buckle Up is a new insurance company that is specifically for gig workers, gig drivers. And I'm gonna have a link below. They do have a special at the time of filming this video where you get 20 bucks for getting a free quote. So you can check that out down below. But otherwise, you get access to benefit. This is Buckle Car Insurance. We'll treat you fairly because that's what you deserve. We offer DoorDash insurance, Uber, Lyft, and much more. No credit checks. You ever have a insurance company that does no credit checks? Immediate proof of insurance, the best customer service. They're in the Rideshare Guy, Fortune, Financial Times, Business Insider. Oh, that's actually pretty interesting. We can just check that out really quick. Insurance. Business Insider. Yeah, I can't find that website or that article. They should have it linked. Feedback for them. Try to link these articles because a lot of people are interested in reading these. So if you could have it linked here, if you're featured in it, that'd be great. Otherwise, next one, Current. Current, I love Current. We are sponsored by Current. We do have a partnership with them, link below. When you do sign up, you can get 4% APY. You can also get paid up to 2 days faster. There are also no overdraft fees when you go negative 200 bucks when you're signed up for their overdrive. Yeah, overdrive. With overdraft up to 200 bucks without any overdraft fees. This is like a fintech financial technology company, kind of like a bank. So your direct deposit arrived 2 days faster paydays because you deserve it. Points that pay you back, you can earn points, which is great. So a lot of these guys are like, this is like the future of finances, and they are, freelancing and gig working is kind of a new economy. So there's a lot of new companies that are, working with gig workers. Like I said, like Ivy, Buckle Insurance, they're new. I've never seen a car insurance for rideshare drivers. So this is new. Current, I've never seen a bank that works, you can actually log into your Uber driver account through Current, your Lyft driver account, DoorDash, you log into it and they have it all set up for you. Okay, the next one. Play Octopus. This is one where they actually pay you up to 100 bucks a month to put a tablet in your car. Passengers play games, you earn points with these little ads that play, like this Red Bull ad, and then you can redeem it. And it's nice because the passengers can play for cash prizes, so they have an incentive to play. Okay, the next one, Driverly App. Driverly App is a company that does help gig workers get reactivated. They try to get help drivers get reactivated. They do have an FAQ. What is Driverly? Driverly is, yeah, they also help drivers make more money, maximize profitability. It says it's not fully guaranteed. The Driverly team will do everything in their capability to get each driver's account reactivated. So if you've been deactivated, unfortunately, there are, you know, it's a reality, a sad reality, but there are services that do help drivers get back on the road, and Driverly could help you out. We do have a link below for them as well. Product Lab, this one we're not sponsored by Product Lab, but they are helping drivers make money. So sign up for Product Lab, because all you have to do is, yes, click sign up, get the app, and then you can start filling out like your Lyft screenshots, Lyft driver screenshots, and they pay you like $7, which is pretty dope. And it's really fast, and they pay you out on like PayPal. Gridwise, okay, Gridwise, this one is great because they have a mileage tracker. It's like a rideshare driver assistant. Gridwise gas, 50 cents per gallon. Holy crap, that's a lot. Yeah, a lot of these, like, you just check them out for yourself and try them out and see which ones are working for you. Like, obviously there's a few that give you gas back. Maybe you can combine them and get multiple, I don't know. Maybe they have restrictions with that, but Gridwise for business, blah, blah, blah. So you can basically sign up here, it looks like, and type in each app you're doing and see which one you're making the most with. And you can kind of figure out, like, you know, how much you're making. Yeah, net income. This one's good because it helps you with taxes, because it has mileage deduction stuff and expenses, and it makes it easier to do taxes. Survey Junkie, this is just an app that I absolutely love. We have a link below for them. You do get a sign up bonus with their link. And this one is super easy. Surveys you can fill out. They're probably the biggest, most legit. Do not go to Survey Monkey or Survey Junkies. It has to be Survey Junkie. There's a lot of like rip-off ones. This is the legit one. And they actually have like partnerships with like Coca-Cola, like Disney, big companies that, you know, need data, and you can earn money with them. Everlance, this is a mileage tracking service. Really plain and simple. That's kind of all they do. Automatically track expenses. A million people use them. You've probably seen their ads on YouTube. And this way, I mean, the point of that is so you get tax deductions. You can write off those miles. Rideshare, oh, I love this one, Rideshare Mechanic. This one, I've used them before. You can get an inspection on FaceTime, basically. You do it through your phone. You don't need to go to a inspection place. And let's see how much it costs right now. Well, I guess you got to do it. But yeah, I've done it, and it's like, it takes like 5-10 minutes, and you go to, I didn't have a parking lot, a garage, or a driveway when I did this, so I had to go to a parking lot basically, and they have you like walk around, and then it's like, they send you the certificate. So it's super easy to get, you know, if you have to do an inspection, sometimes it's like 30 miles away, and it's a pain in the butt. So you can do Rideshare Mechanic, and we do have a link for them as well. Otherwise, guys, that's the update. 10 apps and services that I absolutely love for gig workers. So let me know if there's any other ones that I missed out on, or any of these that you do enjoy using. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.